Ever wondered how you can tap into the goldmine that's artificial intelligence, even if you are an AI newbie? What if you could earn a cool $10,000 a month from an AI automated newsletter? Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because this is not a fairy tale but a reality waiting to be exploited. First things first, let's understand the AI newsletter phenomenon. Take, for example, Zain Khan and his newsletter, Superhuman. Starting from scratch in January 2023, within a few months, he had over 400,000 subscribers and was raking in more than $100,000 per month. And who doesn't know about Morning Brew, an idea that germinated in a dorm room and later sold for a staggering $75 million. If that doesn't stir up inspiration, I don't know what will. So how do you get started? First, embrace the AI wave. Start an AI-focused newsletter. Use tools like Bard, Google's efficient AI, to keep your content fresh, relevant, and on point. Next, make LinkedIn your launchpad. Start posting engaging AI content that stands out. Remember, LinkedIn's algorithm is all about engagement. The more your posts are seen and interacted with, the higher they climb up the content pyramid. Now comes the fun part, monetization. Advertisements and affiliate marketing are your best bets here. With a niche audience interested in AI, companies will be knocking on your door to advertise on your platform. And don't forget about affiliate programs that offer hefty commissions. And what about the writing? Don't worry, Bard AI has got your back. It can help you craft your newsletters. All you need to do is give it a style to mimic, and your content is ready. Use MailChimp for your newsletter service and set up a simple yet effective landing page for signups. Feeling overwhelmed? Join the Online Business Club. Learn from experts, connect with a community of like-minded digital entrepreneurs, and kickstart your business with an instant, done-for-you monetized YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description box to get started. Starting an AI newsletter business is not just about making money, it's about providing value, staying ahead of the curve, and turning your dreams into reality. If a couple of college kids can do it, so can you. Ready to take the plunge? Head over to the Online Business Club for more tips and tricks and find a community that supports your dreams. Here's to making those digital dreams come true.